Hello there, and welcome to another episode of Crappy Shots with Sean. With my special guest, Sarah R. Today, our shot will be made, of course, with Sprite. And of course it's gotta go with pineapple. And of course you gotta complete it with chocolate ice cream. This shot is for kids. These are non-alcoholic shots that you can enjoy at work.
Let it be known that I don't like pineapple at all. It makes me, like, sick.
So I'm glad we're doing this.
That's so gross. The Nebraskan flood. We are shooting a Nebraskan flood.
Have you heard the phantom singing voice?
Oh, it was grosser than the other one we took.
So perfect.
It was like like watered down ice cream. It was
Hold on.
disgusting.
Wow.
On a scale of 1 to crappy, where do you rate this?
I'm gonna give it an 8.
I'm gonna go with a 5. It's like you're drinking a margarita and someone interrupts your margarita to shove a hot dog in your mouth. That's what it's like.
When you got nothing going on, and you're with your best pal Sean,
don't grab a pot, grab a shot. What could go wrong on crappy? That last line. On crappy shots with Sean. Goodbye, kids.
Hey! Oh.